In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Netlify name server. We'll walk through the Netlify dashboard to get you to the exact place you start from when checking DNS and name server details for your project's domain. Begin by opening Netlify in your browser and signing into your account. If you work across multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct team using the team switcher near the top of the interface. It sounds simple, but being in the wrong workspace is one of the most common reasons people can't find the right project or its domain settings. On the left-hand sidebar, click Projects. This is the central hub where Netlify lists all of your sites and related deployments. If you manage a lot of sites, you don't have to scroll. Use the search bar at the top of the projects page. Type a few letters of your site or repository name, or the custom domain if you've assigned one. The list will filter in real time, which saves a lot of time when you're juggling many projects. When you see the correct project in the list, click it to open the project overview. This page gives you a snapshot of recent deploys and status, and it's the jumping off point for deeper configuration. Next, open project configuration. Depending on your view, you'll see this in the top navigation or the left sidebar under settings. This is where Netlify groups the core options that relate to how your project is identified and managed. You'll land on the project information section. Here, confirm you're looking at the correct project by checking the project name and other identifying details. It's worth pausing for this quick verification step before you proceed to anything domain related, especially if you oversee several similar sites. From this configuration area, you'll find links and pathways to domain and DNS tools associated with the project. When your domain is using Netlify's DNS, the name server information is shown in your domain management pages that are connected to this project. If your domain is not using Netlify DNS, those name server records won't appear here, and you'd instead manage them at your domain registrar. Either way, starting at project configuration and confirming the project information ensures you're in the right context to view or reference the correct domain settings. To recap the flow, open Netlify, go to Projects, search and select your project, and then head into Project Configuration to review project information. From there, you have the correct foundation to view the name server details tied to the domain for this specific project. If you don't see DNS or name servers, check whether the domain is added to the site and whether Netlify DNS is enabled for it.